Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you a short highter woman who loves wearing sari but struggle to achieve a tall and slim look? Well, friend, note. In this video, we will guide you through the common sari mistake that you should avoid to achieve that desired look. First and foremost, say goodbye to heavy and bulky fabrics. Opt for lightweight fabric and chiffon, chiffon and georgette and silk. This material wrapped beautifully, making you appear taller and slimmer. Then next, watch out for the wrong blouse length. Short blouse can make your torso appear shorter, so go for long one that cover your midriff. These will create an illusion of a longer upper body, making you look taller. Another mistake to avoid is wearing wide or busy border on your saree. This pattern can overwhelm your frame and make you appear shorter. Instead, choose saree with minimal and thin border or even no border at all. When draping your saree, make sure the pleats fall straight and not on the side. Sideways pleat can visually cut off your heights, so keep them aligned in the center. Avoid wearing contrasting or bold color petticoat and instead go for petticoat that match the color for your saree. This will create a seamless and elongated look, giving the illusion of height. Lastly, pay attention to the choice of your footwear. Pick heels that are comfortable for you but still give you some extra elevations. Nude skin tone feel can always help create a seamless and elongated look. Remember guys, by avoiding this common saree mistake, you can achieve that tall and slim look effortlessly. So go ahead, rock those saree with confidence. So guys, if you want to purchase pure chiffon saree and georgette and silk, then I'll say link in description box. You can check it out. And its saree is pure diamond chiffon, originated from Rajasthan. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.